Hey, how's it going everybody? Christine from Panic Pixel here. So I had an unfortunate accident with my Bose headphones, the QC35 over here. I was watching Frozen 2 with my parents and I was eating siomai, and siomai comes with soy sauce, and the soy sauce ended up spilling on my headset and it still kind of smells like soy sauce. I tried cleaning it. It didn't really do much. So anyway, when that soy sauce thing happened, I tried calling up the Bose store and they basically told me that I had to wait a couple of weeks for a new shipment of spare parts to come in. Me being impatient, I tried seeing if there was an online option that would get me new ear pads sooner. An issue that I kept running into was trying to figure out whether or not the ear pads I was seeing in the listings were a genuine Bose replacement or a third-party one. So for those of you who just are curious about what a genuine box looks like, I wanted to do this video because I just received a text message from the actual Bose store and I just picked this up. So this is an official Bose replacement ear pad kit for the QC35s, which works for both the 35-1 and also the 35-2. So looking at the front, this is what you should expect out of the labeling. So you'll have like a serial number here, or material number as it says right here. And then there should be a label of like what the product is. So the QC35 WL cushion kit. And the one that I have is the black one. So this, I would assume, should show you whether you got the white one or the black one and stuff like that. And then these are the various barcodes. And down here it says, engineered in the USA, made in China. And it is sealed with a Bose sticker. This opens up like that. And you can see the ear pads are packed like this. So they're not just dumped in there separately. They come in this like little plastic container kind of thing. And they have like a little plastic covering it up. And in the box, you do have a little card here talking about how the warranty does not apply to Australia and New Zealand. And then you have some instructions here on how to replace your ear cups. Very nicely printed on the paper. So it doesn't look like it's photocopied or anything. It has the QuietComfort 35 logo up there. Right? That's in the box. Go back in the box. Opening up the plastic. You pull this out. It's separate from the little foam cup here. Is foam thingy? Foam cover. So inside the foam is blue. Mine's kind of gross and yellow, but like I think it started off blue as well, pretty much. But yeah, it's blue inside. And as you can see, the little cover here for the ear cup thing, it has a little bit of a slant here. So I bought like a cheapo QC35 replacement and it did not have like this little slant here. And I had a problem with that, which is why I was not happy with like the cheapo one that I got out of the store. And you look at the back, there should be some strips basically they're just like a double-sided tape that goes onto your headphones. For the left cup, basically the same thing, separate. And you got the blue here. And then other side, oh yeah, you also have the L and you got the R right there. Similar. And then you have the double-sided tape there. So anyway, that is the unboxing of the original, genuine Bose replacement ear cups. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Hope this was useful for those of you who are trying to figure out if you got an original pair or not. And yeah, So if you're interested in more of my gaming, geek, and tech ramblings, feel free to hit that subscribe button and click that cute little bell for upload notifications. Once again, I am Christine from Panic Pixel. I hope you had a phenomenal day today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!